In this video, we're going to be exporting a DTF file. A DTF file is the file extension that we give to a raw QuoteWerks document. And by raw, what I'm referring to is what we're looking at right now is the raw data that's not been placed into a print layout. So let's suppose that I want to get this document with this DTF file to another installation, possibly another company for review, or even another remote installation out in the field. So what we're going to do is click on File, Export to Document Transport File. And by the way, this is a previously saved quote. So now this wizard is going to come up, and we're going to say Next. In step 2, we've got some different parameters that we can identify to send specific documents with, or to export those. We can use the current document that's open. We can specify a specific document number to send, a range of documents modified on or after, all templates, or we can send all documents by a specific sales rep. In this example, we're just going to use the current. So then we'll say Next. Now we have in step 3 three different radio buttons that we can select. The first one is the QuoteWerks Outbox folder, so we can actually have the export wizard place the DTF file that's created directly into the Outbox folder, which is located inside the QuoteWerks directory. We can also place this on another location. For example, if we just wanted to place the DTF on our desktop so that we can email it later, we can do that if we like, or any other location, of course. And then email, which is what we're going to use in this example. So let's say I just created a quote and I want to get this to a colleague right away for their review. So what we're going to do is select Email and Next. Step 4 allows us to enter a comment with this file. And if you look here at this checkbox, just in case we're working with another company, perhaps a consultant, for example, that uses QuoteWerks, and we want them to take a look at this, they will obviously have a different serial number than we do in our installation. So we'll check this checkbox, and this allows a different installation of QuoteWerks to be able to open the quote. This is checked by default. And then we'll say Next and Finish. As you see, the email comes up, and it's already formatted. We'll just need to put in our email address. We'll just send this to ourselves as a test, of course. And I have a signature here, and let me just modify that. And if we like at that moment, we can view the DTF. Or we can attach further documents, and then we simply send. Then once the email goes out, the recipient will receive the quote, and at that point they will go to File and Import Wizard, or Import Document, and at that point they can pull in that quote. And this import process is actually demonstrated in another tutorial video if you'd like to take a look at that. And that's how we export a DTF file from QuoteWerks.